Hi, my name is Dale Lammer. I'm the franchisee of the Domino's Pizza store here on West Sandwich Road. You may have seen me in the old fastest pizza making or competitions, or even my box folding skills, as I recently did the commercial with the fastest pizza box folder. Anyways, today I'm going to show you my pizza making skills, and maybe you might even be able to see my box folding demo. You can see it on YouTube. Just look up Dale Lammer, pizza box folding. Domino's Pizza. Thank you.
Ready?
Alright, go.
How many was that?
50 medium boxes. Alright, lots of boxes we're sticking. Personal record's 1 minute and 58 seconds. But hey, we'll try it for the next time.